Some WhatsApp messages are precious records with your friends and family. If you lost them accidentally, such as app update, iOS update, etc., how to get them back? Please keep watching. You will know how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, even you don't have backups. In method 1, we will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone without computer. First, launch WhatsApp to check your WhatsApp backup. Find Chats and Settings. Tap on Chat Backup and you can see your last backup date. Next, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Log into your WhatsApp account. When you see Restore from the iCloud screen, tap on Restore Chat History. Finally, tap on Next and Done. Your WhatsApp messages will be restored on your iPhone. In method 2, we will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone with backup. Run iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Click the device icon on the top left corner. Find Restore Backup in Backups. Choose a backup you want to restore and click Restore. Attention please, your existing data will be erased. If you don't have backups or are not sure you have WhatsApp backup, please check method 3. In method 3, we will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone without backup. Run iMobile Phone Rescue on your computer or Mac and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Check Recover from iOS device and click Next icon. Select WhatsApp and click OK. All your WhatsApp messages will be listed here, including attachments. Select messages you want to recover. You can choose to restore to the device or to computer or Mac. When recovering is completed, your iPhone will restart. When you see Restore Completed screen, tap on Continue and Finish Setup to enter your iPhone. Then, you can check these WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. Your like and share are a great encouragement for us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.